There are several different methods and devices used in detecting and determining levels of exposure of ionizing radiation. Now, the two most commonly used devices include film badges and dosimeters. Now, with film badges, which are worn by the person, the film is exposed to the radiation, which creates a reaction within the film, and when developed, produces an exposure level or exposure record. Dosimeters work in the same way. They are also worn by the person, and these devices, when they become exposed to the radiation, there's a reaction and thereby measurement. In the case of pocket dosimeters, they come with an ionization chamber which is able to produce immediate readings of exposure levels of ionizing radiation. Now, when we look at ionization chambers in particular, they are able to come up with their measurements when the radiation reacts with the enclosed gas. This creates conductivity and thereby a measurement of ionization exposure radiation levels. Now, ionization chambers can work by themselves, of course with dosimeters, and also with Geiger-Müller counters. Then you have the scintillation instruments. Now, the way these instruments work is you have phosphors that, when exposed to radiation, create light. And with this exposure to the radiation and the creation of the light, there's a level of exposure that can be measured. Now, with scintillation instruments, they're found to be extremely sensitive and useful when detecting low levels of radiation exposure.